Hi, welcome to the ZIQI factory. This is Summer from ZIQI company. Uh, we are a professional air compressor manufacturer over 15 years. Today, I would like to share with you is the ZIQI for Future air compressor. It includes the air compressor unit, air tank, regeneration air driver, and 3 levels compressed air filters. Now, let us check the air compressor nameplate. According to the nameplate, we could know the air compressor pressure with 8 bar. The air capacity is 1.7 cubic meter per minute. The power is 11 kilowatts. It is the same with 15 horsepower. Now, let us open the case plate of the air compressor. First of all, let us check the L end. The L end we're using the USA Insurance L end. It's original from Germany GHH and the earliest and largest screw L end manufacturer. The advanced third generation tooth ratio 5 to 6 to a bit better machine, the smallest leakage area and the highest efficiency. Another key part is the Brazil WEGI for motor. The efficiency is 93% with IP55 protection, Class F insulation, Class B temperature rise. The weight is 120 kilograms. It approved CE/UL certificate and it's suitable for any hard environment. The next is the air oil vessel. We're using Elcom brand from Italy with advanced welding technology, machine production technology, special tooling to ensure the welding quality and overall dimensions of the equipment. The next is the oil tube. It's using Italian Magnoli brand, which is resistant to high temperature and pressure and has a lifespan of 5 times longer than ordinary tube. Now, let us check the regeneration air driver. The pressure dew point is 3 to 8 degrees. The refrigerant using environmentally friendly refrigerant R134A. The next are the 3 levels compressed air filters. The shell is made of aluminum alloy die casting to improve durability and corrosion resistance. The last one is the air storage tank. It chooses Elcom brand with volume is 500 liters. It including safety valve, a pressure gauge, plug valve, auto drainer, and certificate. Each equipment connection with the stainless steel pipe just in order to make the air compressor more durable and high quality. If you are interested in it, please feel free to contact us.